What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have a math question which says find the value of x for which the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 25 is equal to 25. Well, our first step will be for us to take the square of both sides. So on the left hand side, we have the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 25. I'm going to be squaring the left hand side. This is equal to, I'll also square the right hand side. Now, the left hand side is of the form a plus b all squared. And this is expanded as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now let's expand this like this. So this becomes the square root of x squared plus 2 times the square root of x times the square root of x minus 25 and then plus the square root of x minus 25 all squared, just like this. And this is equal to 25 squared is 625. Very good. Now notice that the square can cancel out square root. Square cancels out square root. So that we have x plus 2 times. Now since we have x inside of a square root and x minus 25 inside of a square root, we can give them a single square root and multiply them together. So x times x minus 25. Very good. And then plus, now we have x minus 25 remaining, equal to 625. Very good. Now let's add up like terms. So x plus x is 2x plus 2 times the square root of, we open up this bracket, x times x is x squared minus x times 25 is 25x, and then minus 25 equal to 625. Very good. Now we're going to be moving negative 25 to the right hand side so that we have 2x plus 2 times the square root of x squared minus 25x. This will be equal to, I've already got 625 on the right hand side. When negative 25 crosses to the right, it becomes plus 25. Very good. So we have 2x plus 2 times the square root of x squared minus 25x equal to, now 625 plus 25 will give 650. Very good. Now I'm interested in eliminating this square root. And in order for me to do that, I'll have to move 2x to the right hand side so that we have 2 times the square root of x squared minus 25x on the left hand side to be equal to, I've already got 650 on the right. When 2x crosses to the right hand side, it becomes minus 2x. Very good. Now, in order to eliminate this square root, I will have to take the square of both sides. So I'll take the square of the left hand side. I'll also take the square of the right hand side. Now notice that this square affects the 2. It also affects the square root of x squared minus 25x. So 2 squared is 4 times. Now, square can cancel out square roots, leaving behind x squared minus 25x. Very good. And this is equal to, the right hand side is of the form a minus b all squared, and this is expanded as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So let's expand this like this. So this becomes 650 squared minus 2 times 650 times 2x, and then plus negative, okay, that's 2x rather, plus 2x squared. Very good. Now let's simplify. We're going to be expanding the left hand side. So 4 times x squared is 4x squared minus 4 times 25x is 100x, and this is equal to 650 squared is same as 650 times 650. Very good. Minus 2 times 650 times 2x is 2600x plus 2x all squared is 4x squared. Very good. Now notice that 4x squared can cancel out from both sides. Now our next step will be for us to take like terms. So this is negative 100x on the left. We're going to be moving negative 2600x to the left hand side. And when we do that, it becomes positive 2600x. Very good. This is equal to, now what is left on the right hand side is 650 times 650. Very good. Now let's add this up. Negative 100x plus 2600x is 2500x. And this is equal to 650 times 650. And since we're looking for x, we're going to be dividing both sides by 2500. So I'll divide the left by 2500. I'll divide the right by 2500. Now notice that 2500 can cancel out, leaving behind x on the left hand side to be equal to 650 times 650 divided by 2500 is same as 50 times 50. Very good. Now notice that 0 can cancel out. So now notice that 5 here 1, 5 here is 13. 5 here 1, 5 here is 13. So 13 times 13 is equal to 169. And this is the final solution for x. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.